Hopewell, Chamisa would have destroyed country if he'd been inaugurated president. By a correspondent vertical bar, the 22nd of November 2025, prominent journalist Hopewell has claimed that citizens' leader NelsoncHamisa would have ruined Zimbabwe had he been inaugurated as president. Speaking in a public address, Chinono alleged that Chamisa lacked the leadership qualities needed to stabilize the country and insisted that his own political project, the government in exile, enjoys broader support than both Chamisa's movement and President Emerson Mnangagwa's ZANU-PF. Hopewell's February announcement. Chinono first made these remarks during a 6-hour online session on the 25th of February 2024, hosted by UK-based broadcaster Gerald Belts, popularly known as Uncle GED. In that address, he launched the Government in Exile initiative and criticized both ruling and opposition leaders for failing to implement reforms. Revisiting the GNU. Reflecting on past political transitions, Chinono recounted his experiences as a journalist covering the 2008-2009 Global Political Agreement, GPA, and the subsequent Government of National Unity, GNU. He described how Morgan Tsvangirai, despite threats to his life, returned to Zimbabwe to negotiate under South African mediation led by Thabo Mbeki. Chinono noted that the GNU's original purpose was to usher in reforms, but he accused opposition leaders of neglecting that core mandate once they assumed government positions. Strong criticism of Chamisa, while acknowledging the hardships Zimbabweans continue to endure. Chinono argued that Chamisa would have worsened the situation rather than offered solutions. Chamisa was going to destroy this country if he had been inaugurated. He has no capacity to govern and deliver the reforms Zimbabwe needs, Chinono said. Rising political tensions. The remarks add fuel to Zimbabwe's already tense political climate, where both ruling party officials and opposition leaders face criticism for failing to chart a clear path toward economic recovery and democratic reforms.